Hi everyone, welcome back to day 6 of 20 days Basic JavaScript Challenge. In today's videos, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of data types in JavaScript. Understanding data types is essential for writing clear, concise, and bug-free code. It allows us to manipulate data effectively and ensure that our program behave as expected. So, JavaScript is dynamically typed language, which means that variable can hold value of different types during the execution of program. The basic data types in JavaScript include string, number, booleans, array, objects, and more. Each data type has its own characteristic and behavior which we need to understand to write efficient code. So next I explain the type of operator. One useful tool for working with data type is JavaScript is the type of operator. This operator allows us to determine the data types of value at runtime, whether we are validating user input, debugging code, or performing type specific operation. Type of comes in handy. So let's dive into a code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already created index.html file, and in this file I write script tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript code. So first we get our input from a user. So for that I use a prompt function. So here I write prompt, and in this I write enter of value. And next I store this value into a variable. So here I create a variable with the name of user input, and next I check the type of this value. So for that I use a type of method. So here I create another variable with the name of type data type is equal to, then I use a type of method, and then next I pass this variable here. After that, I showed the result in a console. So I use a console.log method. So in this console.log method, I write a text. So here I write the data type of value is, and then concatenate the data type, this variable, and then save the file and go to a browser. And here you can see it say enter a value. So here I write any value like 40 and click on OK. And you can see the data type of value is string because this function gave a value in a string. Due to this reason, I get a data type a string. So now I convert this value into an integer and then check what the type of function gave a data type. Okay. So for that I write a let, and then here I write a integer variable name, and in this I use a parse float method to convert this string into a integer value. So here I pass this variable, and after that instead of passing this user input I write integer variable here. Save this, and now again go to a browser, and you can see now this time I enter a value. So here I write 42 and click on OK. You can see the data type of value is a string. So what happened? So I reload this page again and enter a value. So here I write 42 and click on OK, and now you can see it gave a value number. This time our value is a number, mean integer data types. Okay, so like that, with the help of type of method you can check the type of any value. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned how to use the type of operator in JavaScript to determine the data type of a value. Understanding data type is crucial for writing robust and efficient code. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.